When it comes to cars, most people think they're lucky if their vehicle lasts 150,000 miles before repairs start piling up. But what if I told you that some cars can actually push 500,000 miles? Yes, 500,000 miles, without falling apart? The secret isn't just about the brand you buy, it's about how you treat it. Your habits behind the wheel, the way you handle maintenance, and even how you park can make the difference between a car that dies young and one that becomes a legend. In this video, we're counting down the 13 habits that let your car last 500,000 plus miles without major repairs. And trust me, habit number 1 is the ultimate game changer that even most mechanics don't talk about. Stick with me to the end if you want your car to live longer than you ever imagined. Number 13, gentle acceleration and braking. Every time you stomp on the gas or slam the brakes, your car pays the price. Hard acceleration forces the engine and transmission to work at maximum stress, while sudden braking quickly eats away at brake pads, rotors, and even suspension components. A smoother driving style changes everything. Press the gas gradually, let the car build speed naturally, and brake early with steady pressure instead of waiting until the last second. Not only will this improve your fuel economy, but it also reduces wear on critical parts. Over time, these gentle habits can add years to your car's life and make reaching 500,000 miles far more realistic. Number 12, regular oil changes. If there's one golden rule for longevity, it's this: change your oil on time. Engine oil is your car's lifeblood, keeping everything lubricated and cool. Neglect it, and your engine wears down fast. Stick to your manufacturer's recommended schedule, usually every 5,000 to 7,500 miles for modern cars. Use high-quality oil and don't cheap out on filters. Cars that hit 500,000 miles all have one thing in common: religious oil changes. Number 11, use quality fluids everywhere. It's not just about engine oil. Transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolant, and even power steering fluid matter. Many drivers ignore these, but dirty or low-quality fluids eat away at your car's systems. For example, old coolant can corrode your radiator. Worn-out brake fluid absorbs water, reducing braking efficiency. Make it a habit to flush and replace fluids as recommended. Your car will thank you with years of trouble-free driving. Number 10, warm up but don't idle too long. One of the biggest mistakes drivers make is letting their car idle for too long in the morning. Cold starts are always a little rough on engines because the oil is thick and hasn't fully circulated yet. When you first turn the key, your engine needs just 30 to 60 seconds for the oil to move through the system. That's enough to protect the moving parts. But many people think idling for 10 minutes or more is warming up the car. In reality, this wastes fuel, adds carbon buildup inside the engine, and puts unnecessary strain on your exhaust system. Instead, the smarter habit is to start driving slowly after half a minute. Keep your speed and RPMs low for the first few miles, and your engine will naturally reach its ideal temperature. This simple routine protects your engine and transmission, adding years to your car's lifespan. Number 9. Stick to original manufacturer parts. When your car needs repairs or replacements, it can be tempting to buy cheap copies from third-party brands. They might look the same and save money at first, but they often wear out quickly and can even damage other components. Original manufacturer parts are built to match your car's exact design, tested for quality, and made to last much longer. Paying a little extra now prevents costly breakdowns later and keeps your car running strong for years. Number 8. Tire care is non-negotiable. Your tires are the only part of the car that actually touch the road. Worn or poorly inflated tires don't just affect safety, they impact your suspension, steering, and fuel efficiency. Check your tire pressure monthly, rotate them every 5,000 to 8,000 miles, and replace them when tread runs low. Neglecting tires causes extra stress on the drivetrain, which shortens your car's lifespan. Number 7. Drive defensively. This one's overlooked but powerful. Driving aggressively, speeding, weaving through traffic, tailgating doesn't just increase your risk of accidents. It also destroys your car's components. Defensive drivers avoid sudden stops, protect their brakes, and keep engines running at steady speeds. Over time, that calmer driving style adds hundreds of thousands of extra miles. Number 6. Keep it clean, inside and out. Keeping your car clean is more than just making it look good. It protects its long-term health. Dirt, road salt, and grime slowly eat away at metal, leading to rust that can destroy exhaust systems, brake lines, and even the structural frame. Regular washing, especially in winter or near coastal areas, removes these harmful deposits. Cleaning the interior matters too, since neglect can cause wear on seats, carpets, and electronics. A car that's cared for inside and out not only lasts longer, but also holds much better resale value. Number 5, respect the transmission. Your transmission is one of the most expensive components to replace. Yet most drivers abuse it daily without realizing. Avoid shifting from reverse to drive while the car is still moving. Don't ride the clutch if you drive manual, and don't ignore transmission fluid changes. Take care of the transmission, and your car will reward you with smooth shifting for decades. Number 4, don't ignore small problems. A tiny leak, a strange noise, a warning light. Many people ignore these until the issue becomes catastrophic and expensive. The secret to longevity? Fix small problems before they snowball. A $50 hose replacement today can prevent a $1,500 repair tomorrow. Legendary high-mileage cars are owned by people who never let small issues slide. Number 3, keep records and follow the schedule. Every car comes with a maintenance schedule, and it exists to keep your vehicle running at its best. Items like timing belts, spark plugs, filters, and fluids are designed to be replaced at specific intervals. Ignoring these can lead to sudden breakdowns and costly repairs. The drivers who manage to push their cars to 500,000 miles do not leave things to chance. They track every service, save receipts, and stay on schedule. By keeping detailed records and treating maintenance as a non-negotiable habit, you can extend your car's lifespan for decades. Number 2, avoid short trips. Many drivers are surprised to learn that short trips are one of the harshest things you can do to an engine. When you only drive a mile or two, the engine never reaches full operating temperature. That means moisture, unburned fuel, and condensation remain inside, slowly turning into sludge and causing corrosion. Over time, this weakens vital parts and shortens the life of your oil. The solution is simple: combine errands into one longer trip whenever possible. That is why taxis, delivery cars, and rideshare vehicles often last hundreds of thousands of miles when maintained correctly. Your car will too if you avoid unnecessary short journeys. Number 1, consistency over everything. Here it is, the ultimate secret to 500,000 plus miles. It's not luck. It's not buying the right brand. It's consistency. Consistently changing oil, consistently checking fluids, consistently driving with care, consistently fixing small issues. That steady discipline, year after year, is what turns an ordinary car into a 500,000-mile legend. So there you have it, 13 habits that let your car last 500,000 plus miles without major repairs. Some of these are small things you can start doing today, but together they completely change your car's future. Remember, cars don't just die, they're often killed by neglect. Treat yours right, and it can outlive almost anything on the road. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical car tips. And tell me in the comments, what's the highest mileage you've ever seen on a car?